And also we have found, while finding the equation of an ellipse in the standard form, we have seen focus and directrix, right? By taking the coordinate axis as the axis, x-axis, y-axis, and the ellipse cuts the coordinate axis at 4 different points, and the shape is as it is symmetric about both the coordinate axes.
And so Vedant will take 5 minutes to come. 15 minutes, sorry, 15 minutes, not 5.
Okay. So, this, let us say this point as A, this as A dash, and this is B, B dash. And this point is the midpoint of A dash during the construction while proving equation of an ellipse in the standard form. We have seen A dash is bisected a point, and we denoted this point by C. C is the midpoint of A dash and B dash as well. And we have seen this length as A because you are measuring towards the right side the coordinates of capital A comma 0, coordinates of A dash minus A comma 0, B 0 comma B, B dash 0 comma minus B. Now let us see some more terminology in this ellipse. We have proved from the center towards the left side there was one focus denoted by S dash, and we have seen the coordinates of this focus as minus AE comma 0, and center is 0 comma 0. C is called center of the ellipse, and S dash is one of the focus we have seen. With respect to this focus, the equation of the directrix was also found. This is x is equal to minus A upon E. And this point denoted by Z dash. There is another focus in ellipse denoted by S. It is again same distance as CS dash, but you are measuring towards the right side from the center C. So the coordinates of S will be plus AE comma 0. And with respect to this focus, the directrix is, equation of the directrix is x is equal to plus A upon E. Let us take this point where the directrix meets the x-axis as Z. Now, we could see in this ellipse there are two foci and two directrices. Equations of the directrix. X is equal to, we could write the equations of the directrices as x is equal to plus or minus A upon E. And here A dash, which is equal to 2A. This is called major axis of the parabola, ellipse. And its standard equation we have seen x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, where A is greater than B. Here A dash and B dash. Length of A dash is greater than length of B dash. So A dash is called major axis and B dash is called minor axis. Minor axis. So the length of the major axis is 2A, length of the minor axis is 2B. And the relation between A and B with eccentricity is B square is equal to A square times 1 minus E square. From this, simplify this and write E value in terms of A and B. What will you get? E is equal to square root over A square minus B square upon A square. Which means if you know the values of A and B, or if the length of major axis and the length of minor axis are known, then we will be using this formula to find out the eccentricity of the ellipse. Now, from these two, you could also say that semi-major axis of the major axis. Major axis is 2A, therefore A is called as semi-major axis. Similarly, B is called as semi-minor axis. Okay. And after this, we could also discuss about latus rectum. What is latus rectum? Latus rectum. Latus rectum is in a conic section. Latus rectum we have defined in parabola, or the same definition is true in case of any conic, which is a straight line perpendicular to the major axis. Here we could say major axis and passing through the focus. In case of parabola, there was only one focus, as the parabola was symmetric with respect to either x-axis or y-axis. Therefore, we were having only one axis of the parabola. Here, the ellipse is symmetric with respect to both the coordinate axes. Therefore, we are having two foci and respect to directrices. And in order to find the latus rectum, to define the latus rectum, it is a line segment passing through the focus perpendicular to the major axis, and line segment is, its length is, it is cut off by the ellipse. So if you draw a perpendicular here, so to continue about latus rectum, this perpendicular. So this is S, as the coordinates of S are AE, 0. Now if you take this as L and L dash, then what could be the coordinates of endpoints of latus rectum? This is same as x coordinate is AE, y coordinate we don't know, let it be y1. Similarly, L dash AE, it is in the fourth quadrant, therefore it has to be, it is also symmetric about x-axis, it has to be minus y1. Now the x coordinate of this ellipse is known as AE. Substitute x is equal to AE in this equation and simplify in order to get the y values. Then what will you get here? A square E square upon A square plus y1 square upon B square is equal to 1. So A square cancels. Therefore, y1 square is equal to b square times 1 minus e square. Is that right? 1 minus e square is okay. So this is 1 minus e square. Y1 square is equal to b square times. What can you write y1 minus e square as from this relation? It is b square upon a square. No? Since 1 minus e square is equal to b square upon a square from this relation. So therefore, y1 will be plus or minus b square upon a, no? If you take the square root. So here, this is one lattice rectum with respect to the focus S. Similarly, with respect to the focus S dash, so there is another lattice rectum. Say this as some Q dash. Therefore, what is endpoints of the lattice rectum? Plural of lattice rectum is lattice rectum. Or for each lattice rectum you have two endpoints. There are two lattice recta. Therefore, endpoints of the lattice recta 1, 2, 3, 4. Respectively, we could write one is AE comma B square by A. Second one is AE comma minus B square upon A. Third one is Q. Q will be minus AE comma, and it is y coordinate is positive minus AE. So this length will be same as this length because they are split. So minus AE comma B square by A comma minus AE comma Q is in the third quadrant. Therefore, both the coordinates are negative. Minus B square by A. So this is about the endpoints of lattice rectum. Similarly, we could also write the equations of the lattice rectum. Equations of the lattice rectum. Or what is this equation of this lattice rectum? This is parallel to y-axis and passing through AE comma 0. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus AE. X is equal to plus or minus AE. Which means with respect to the focus S AE comma 0, the lattice rectum is x is equal to AE, and with respect to the focus S dash minus AE comma 0, equation of lattice rectum is x is equal to minus AE. After writing equations of the lattice rectum, we could also find length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum in ellipse. So what is length of lattice rectum? L dash or Q dash. Right? From the diagram it is same as L dash or Q dash. Find out that, simplify that. What is the distance? Distance between this is L dash, this is Q dash. So what is it? 2b square upon A. So the length of latest rectum is 2b square.